So you're looking at the Combine Keywords tool, and it's a very simple tool. All it really does is it takes 3 sets of data and gives you permutations. So an example would be 2, 3, and each column or set is referred to here by its macro name. And if I click combine, you'll see it's combined A, 2, 3. If I were to put a B here, you'll get the permutation of B2, 3. So it's giving you combinations for each keyword with each data. If I were to put another data here, then it can see more combinations appear below. So you would use this for something like local SEO, where you might have a business name, and let's say you have a bunch of states or locales like that, and then you have your country, and you want to have your company name together with all these different sets of data. So in bottom you see cookie cutter state 1, state 2, etc. And then of course you can copy and use these created keywords in generating content or something like that. So it's a very simple tool. If you have any suggestions on how to make it better or have any questions, feel free to make a comment in the video section below.